Hey guys, welcome back to Manuel channel, also the high speed miner channel. Guys, we got something good for you guys today, and we're gonna go over to cleaning. Yes, we're gonna clean it. A graphica will be cleaner today, and what we're gonna do is, you guys know what we're gonna do is we're gonna use my new ultrasonic clinic, and we're gonna go with that. Also, sorry for the fan, nothing I can do about that. So I got graphic out over there running, so they gotta be keeping cool. We're gonna use, I have a 580 giving me trouble. Sorry, my bad on that one. I'm gonna turn around the camera. Yeah, I can see in it. I got. All right, so we got. All right, sorry. This is some of the 2060. I'm just waiting for a few more, and this right here coming in, and I cleaned it out. Didn't work too good, but now we're gonna go to the next step. We're gonna go to the ultrasonic cleaning. So we're gonna take this apart, and we're gonna come back to the video when I finish taking apart. Also, I want to show you guys is, I don't know if you guys can see in it right there, this graphic card didn't bring no time back on top of those memories over there. You can still see still some dust and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it apart, and we're gonna clean it out, and then I'm just gonna coming back to this video. Alright guys, so we already got everything apart. You guys can see in it. We got this right there, we got that, then we got the graphic card. Now the next thing is just we're gonna remove the thermal paste from that one and this one, and I'll be back, and then we're gonna go to the ultrasonic clinic. Alright guys, so here we are. Sorry for the live, I don't have that much live. I'm using this contact cleaner quick dry. That's gonna be for sensitive electronic part, and what we're gonna do is just simple, just remove this out of them. You can see it. Okay, so we finished with that. Now we're gonna get ready for the ultrasonic cleaning. What we're gonna, let's see, you guys can see what I'm doing, right? Yeah, I'm using soap. That's what we're gonna use. We're gonna put hot water in it. Oh yeah, well you guys probably wanna see it. Let's see, let's see if that's for real. Water can fix everything, or is finished damaging out. Okay. Okay. Closing the water. We just turning. We're gonna turning out. this baby. Okay, temperature. Let's see that Celsius. Numeric graphic can support all the way to 60. Timer. Now put it for a good 15 minutes, and then we're gonna be back. Sorry, this is my kitchen. Sorry for the mess right here. Alright, so we got it ready for and we see how this works after that. We're gonna try it out tomorrow. Alright guys, so this thing just finished. You guys can see it. Alright, so let me put this down over here to my other side. Sorry for the power line I got over here. I wasn't even big ready for this. Let me unplug the machine. You guys can see it's still on. We just finished. Alright, so we good. My bad, I was supposed to turn on the switch first. And ooh, wow, super hot. Look nice, look cool, look super clean. So we got that one out. Alright, I'm gonna take everything out and I'll be back in a second. Give me 1 second, guys. So you can see it's still the board, still right over there. You can see all the doors and they are water already. And I'll be back in a second. Sorry guys, so this is the water. I got the rest of the graphic over there. We're just gonna drain the water out of this. You guys can see it. That's not super nice clean water. We're just gonna rush with more water. This power here, but we're gonna still using hot water to wash everything out. You guys can see it. And remove this soap out over there. The rest of the dust. It's difficult to do all this with one hand. Okay, so this thing still got some. Okay. Gonna make sure the soup is going out of this thing, so we're gonna put this back over there. Got this one. I didn't do the fans like Tech City always does, but this is a test like the same stuff he does. Let's see if this is gonna work. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work for him. But I wanna see if I can fix the graphic out by just clearing out. You can see how clean everything coming out over here. This is the and this is the other thing, the other part. And right now I'm just gonna rinse everything out with more water. As you can see, there's a lot of dust in this thing. So water didn't get into this thing. Yeah, I gotta remove the rings and everything out. Okay, just gonna wait until that done, guys. Be back, and I'm gonna finish cleaning out this. I'm gonna go spray first with this. We're gonna take all this water out. We're gonna dry everything out first before we do anything else, and I'll come back to clean this. Okay, we're gonna pause the video, and I'll see you what the compressor is. All right, guys. So here we are, and we're gonna get the compressor to discharge right now. That's what I'm gonna do. You can see in it. I'm gonna make sure all the water from everywhere is going out. I think I'm gonna have to. Sorry for the noise, though. I'll be back after I finish. That's what I've been doing. That's what I'm gonna do. See you guys in a few minutes. Hey guys, so this is the GPUs. You can see it. That's the one we just cleaning out. So this is the fan. We are testing it out now, guys. That GPU came back from the day to life just with water, cleaning out with water. I got it in mining, so we're gonna go to the computer now. I'm just gonna do it. I record it from right here with my phone. Let me remove the flag. Alright, you can see it. Alright, the 580 start mining already. I'm not gonna do any changes or anything else. I'm just gonna leave it as regular. So not gonna change it to none of the other stuff supposed to be changing, so that way you can get like all the way to 12 megahertz. It's just in the test mode. So we're gonna leave it in test mode right now, and later on we will see in it what we can do, what we can achieve. And I'm glad this is helping me out, and thank you, and shout out to Tech City. That's one of the YouTubers. He built PC and stuff. I follow everything he say to do when you watching it with water, and work, guys. Everything works. So that means you can watching any motherboard or anything with water as soon you doing the proper procedure. So what I did was I did everything in 2 hours version hand. He always wait to overnight into everything is dried out. He doing that for security reason. Just want to take the graphics I was dead. That's why it was completely dead. Didn't work in and out. Didn't do anything. And what I did was put it on the ultrasonic with water and soap, detergent soap, the one you use to washing your dishing and stuff like that. That's what we use. And take it out over there, get my compressor on, blow everything out. Like you probably see in a couple other clips I did in the video. I didn't record the whole thing. It take about 3 to 4 hours what I did. And cleaning out everything, put everything back together. Also I replaced all the thermal paste, and the thermal paste I'm been using it for my GPUs is this right here. So you just gotta make it your MS4. That's the right one to use in it. And so far so good, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this content, for continue watching content like this, just subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be that little subscribe button on the bottom with the red letters, and the bell if you wanted to be notified for any upcoming video. I got it on my channel. I'll see you into the next one, and thank you for watching, guys.